Hello, welcome to Unknown India channel. In this video, I will take you to the Gangad Fort. Gangad Fort is located at 100 kilometers from Pune. You can take Tamini Ghat road to Gangad Fort. Second route is via Lonavala. From Lonavala, Gangad Fort is at 35 kilometers. On the way, there is Korigad Fort. Check out video of Korigad Fort in description below. This is Lonavala Ambi Valley Road, which is in great condition. This road will take us to the Korigad Fort. From Korigad Fort, Gangad Fort is at 19 kilometers. On left you can see the Korigad Fort. From Korigad Fort, it will take around 40 minutes to reach Gangad Fort because the road is very narrow and in bad condition after Pet Shahpur village. Turn right to Bamburde village. This road is very narrow after Ambi Valley. During this journey, I will tell you brief history of Gangad Fort. On June 11, 1665, as per Treaty of Purandar, King Shivaji Maharaj handed over 23 forts to Mughal Sardar Mirza Raja Jai Singh. Gangad Fort was one of them. In 1670, King Shivaji Maharaj again conquered Gangad Fort. It remains with Maratha Empire till control of King Rajaram Maharaj. After death of Rajaram Maharaj, Gangad Fort was again captured by Mughals. During rule of Queen Tarabai, Pantaji Shivdev again took it back to Maratha Empire. In 1713, Navy Chief of Maratha Empire, Kanoji Angre, held Gangad Fort and handed it over to King Shahu Maharaj on 28 February 1714. Then King Shahu Maharaj handed over Gangad Fort to Balaji Vishwanath Peshwe. Between 1737 and 1739, the Maratha attacked northern region of Konkan, then possessed by the Portuguese. It is also known as the Vasai Crusade. 25 Portuguese soldiers then stationed on Gangad. In the latter days of Peshwe rule, Gangad was turned into a prison, housing political prisoners as well as social criminals. On right you can see some jungle fowl hens. This is very rare sight. We are at Bayaji Khinda. This is nothing but a mountain pass. On extreme right you can see the Gangad Fort. During the rule of Bajirao Peshwe, the Gangad Fort was administered by Baloji Kunjir. On 17th March 1818, British Colonel Prothero captured the fort without facing any resistance from Maratha Empire. When British conquered Gangad Fort, they destroyed it. We are at Bamburde village right now. After Bamburde village, take right turn to Akole village, which is base village of Gangad Fort. The road condition is very bad. This road is full of mud and water. We are near Ekole village. You can see board mentioning Gangad Fort. Take left from here to reach base of Gangad Fort. This 100-meter road patch is very bad. If you came by car, you have to park your vehicle at Akole village. Right here I am going to park my bike. In front you can see Gangad Fort. Let us begin our journey to Gangad Fort. On left there is fencing, so be careful while walking. On left there is way to Gangad Fort. In front you can see the goddess Garzai temple. In front of Garzai temple there are two tower of lamps. Let us move towards Gangad Fort. These are some historic stairs to Gangad Fort. We are at plateau of Gangad Fort right now. This way front will take us to the cave, and on right there is a way to the main entrance of Gangad Fort. Let us go towards cave first. We have to climb this rock patch. Do not attempt climbing over here in rain as it becomes slippery. After rock patch there is very narrow way to the cave. As you see, on left there is a deep valley and on right there is a steep cliff. We are near cave right now. This cave is made to provide a safe shelter from which guards can observe surrounding area. Let us go back to the main entrance of Gangad Fort. We are on the way to the main entrance of Gangad Fort. Due to continuous flowing water, this patch becomes slippery. Be careful while climbing. We are now at main entrance of Gangad Fort. Let us go inside. First we will go on right. You can see this part of mountain nearly wiped out from its position. Be careful here in rainy season as it causes falling of small loose stones on your head and it can cause injury. This is idol of goddess Mahishasura-Mardini. Let us go back to the main entrance of fort. These are the caves near main entrance of Gangad Fort. Let us move towards Bale Killa. This ladder will take us to the Bale Killa. While climbing, keep one thing in mind: use only single hand or a foot at a time. At every step, you should grip ladder at 3 contact points. If you have confidence, then only attempt climbing here. It is not safe at all. Do not attempt climbing here when it's raining. On top of ladder, you can see the opening of water storage tank. We have to go on left from here. From top end of ladder you can see water storage tank. On left there is a holding cable and a small black metal piece on which you have to keep your foot and move forward towards Bale Killa. After successful climbing through this difficult patch, You can see some water storage tanks here. There are few more water storage tanks here. You can see a cave right above water storage tank. Let us move towards Balekilla. There are few stairs and after that a rock patch is there. You have to climb this rock patch. On left side you can see some cables which can be used as support while climbing. Due to continuous flowing water, this patch becomes very slippery near entrance of Balekilla. We are at entrance of Balekilla. We will go on left side first. On left side you can see Bastion. We are at southeast end of Balekilla. From Bastion you can view the beautiful valley. Let us move towards north end of Balekilla. On right you can see some remains of old building. We are at topmost point of Gangad Fort right now. In front you can see peaks of Tel Baila. I will show you this area in another angle. You can see some waterfalls right there. Let us move towards north end of Balekilla. You can see water tank down below. Let us go there. We are near water tank. Due to extremely dense plants, you cannot see the road below. Be careful here as a snake or a crab hide in places like this. There is another water tank. Here you can see remains of an old building. Let us go back to the main entrance of Balekilla. On right you can see another water storage tank. These are the remains of watchtower near entrance of Balekilla. Do not attempt Balekilla of Gangad Fort until you have full confidence that you can do it. Let us go down. While going down, take care of yourself as it's very slippery. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching Unknown India channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the red button to subscribe.